Consider this. Faces. Faces are very difficult to draw. Faces are very important to humans. Did you know brain scientists have determined that the brain has 6 separate areas for analyzing just faces? What happens? What happens when a child draws a face? A circle. Nobody's head is round. Heads and faces aren't round. But kids draw round eyes at the top, mouth at the bottom, nose in the middle. That's all the important stuff. But if you don't learn about that, if you don't think about that, you're going to draw what's most important to you, and that's the face. What? Did you draw that? Wow, that's really impressive. You know, that kind of looks like a face. That could be a face. Well, maybe not my face, but it does look like a face. Kids, you're pretty talented. What can I say?